Now, the other thing that you'll see right here underneath device is state. And state is something specific about that item. Typically, it's CSS listening for something to happen or something specific about this element to restyle it. And so the most common thing that you're going to see when it comes to states is hover classes. Where you're going to see this most frequently is on something like a button. So if we jump over to the button here, if I click over on button, we can see that there's no hover state actually set for this button, but there is a disabled state. And so disabled means the button can't be clicked. And in this case, it's what we are seeing is if this button is disabled, which we can set with an action or might be something that we preset, we're going to go ahead and make it opaque so that it's 50% transparent to the viewer. Now, let's say on hover, I wanted to add something. One of the most common things that you might do is on hover, you might, let's just say we want to make it green on hover. So the cool thing about Bildr is that you get, as you change what this hover experience might look like, you can get that experience inside of the studio as well as on your live previews. So you can know as you're building and styling exactly what impact the changes that you're making will have on your particular elements. We'll have all sorts of lessons in the future to help you master responsive design, to help you know when and how to use states inside of CSS. But this is a good foundation to help you know where you actually access that information inside of Bildr and how you can change specific styles for your websites depending on what screen size or what state that particular element is in.